Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Suci Nur Fajriya from class PBIA. Today I will present test about morphology. What is morphology? Morphology in the definition of two based on online research and linguist point of view. I think morphology is that which deals with the structure of words or word pattern in certain language, namely inflection, derivation, and association. How words are made and learn all the parts about the word. In morphology, we study about word structure, refers to the basic elements which are referred to as in the internal structure of word formation, namely morpheme and additional. The second, the study of word pattern, the process of arranging words regularly with a pattern. The third, the study of word formation of new word with a morpheme, or the smallest unit of a word that can change the meaning. New word formation is divided into two, namely the formation of productive and less productive words. Understanding word lexeme and word form. The word is the smallest element spoken or written language, has a class of word and has meaning. First, body word. The second, function word. Second, lexeme used for the means of grammatical functions such as the word from the lexeme word derive. Word form, to express past action. The component of language that are known as language units are sentence, clause, words that have meaning. There are three morphemes, namely, part of words that have meaning can be divided into smaller segments, carries the lexical function. Types of morpheme: needed, read, suggestion, endanger. Affixes, which form a new word and different in meaning. Morphological process associated with bound morpheme result in change in the meaning of word. Lexical function and grammatical function called addition. There are three types of affixes, namely prefix, suffix, circumfix. For example, this plus agree can produce other word like disagree. Likewise, to use suffix, for example, suffix c plus book, books. Like to suffix ing, at, s. Word pattern, inflection. Form more irregular pattern to suit grammatical function based in English language. Inflection noun, inflection adjective, inflection verb. Inflection nouns, pluralization, pen, pens, or there is also an additional s if the noun ends with the letter s, h, s, x, and z. F and v with if is replaced by letter v. Change the suffix y, I, and add the suffix x. Suffix o plus s. Next, inflection adjective. A, the positive form of comparison, namely modifying a noun but not showing the degree of quality of the modification. For example, your book like Iva's book. The comparative form of comparison, that is an adjective denoting a higher degree of quality. For example, Chika is more beautiful than. The superlative form of comparison, that is show the highest quality. For example, Joko is the smartest. Inflection word, example of tense. We come here yesterday, so the past. We come here today, so the present. According to morphology, refer to categories with inflectious verb or present verb and past verb. She learns science, present verb. She learns science, past verb. Tenses with a morphological perspective, namely loan, take over word from another language. The thing is said with a loan word. For example, mayonnaise, from French mixing, combines to separate word with the different meanings. Indolis, from compound word. For example, Indonesia, English, become English. Acronym, joining words by taking the first letter. For example, HTML, hypertext markup language, and other. Well, I think that's enough from my presentation. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.